How to stop WhatsApp from automatically downloading media on Android. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Skytech Studio. And if you want to stop your WhatsApp from automatically downloading photos, videos on your Android phone, then here's how you can do it. Well, so disabling auto download media on WhatsApp is pretty quick and easy. Simply go ahead and open up the WhatsApp application from your device, and from the WhatsApp homepage, go ahead and tap on this three-dot line at the top right and then tap on settings. Now once you're here inside your WhatsApp settings, you just need to scroll down and tap on the storage and data. And from here, the bottom right here, you'll get to see the option media auto download option. So first thing first, go ahead and tap on when using mobile data, and it might select it with all from here. So just go ahead and deselect all this from here and tap on OK in order to save the changes, and go ahead and tap on when connected on Wi-Fi and deselect all this from here as well. And also tap on when roaming and deselect all this from here as well. And once you've done all these settings from here, from now your WhatsApp is not gonna save any media automatically on your device. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.